Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Business Hub, and in this mid-weekly analysis, I'm going to analyze the market for today and tomorrow. Okay. So as we are day trader, we need to start our analyzing from daily time frame to find out the market direction, and I am avoiding their weekly time frame because I want to really make this analysis short. And as you can see there, for daily time frame, market is on bullish trend from a long time ago. Okay, there, as you can see there is a breakout. It may fake breakout, and there is a breakout, but it may fake breakout. Okay, and our daily candle, if I especially want to show you, our daily candle is going to a bullish. Yesterday's candle was bearish, and today it just make a bullish rejection. Okay, just trying to recreate that zone again. And if I want to go directly H1 time frame to find out today's or tomorrow's direction or tomorrow's zone, and if I want to check the market condition, as you can see there, in that particular area, market was trying to reach, or market was trying to break out this particular area around 3389 zone from some few days ago, but it was unable to make a breakout. Okay, that can be an important zone, and as you can see there and there, two-time market was trying to reach that zone, but it was unable to cross or unable to make a breakout. And if I especially want to make that as our resistance become support zone, 3383 zone, as you can see there is one time, two time, and three time at that particular area, and 3388 zone or 89 or 90 zone was touched one time, and there is three time. Okay, and if I want to find out a today's entry or today's proper direction or today's proper path, as you can see there, if I want to make this can be more accurate, if I want to draw a line chart over here, and as you can see there, that can be little bit down as I draw. Okay, let's make it candlestick. And as you can see there, market is trying to reach out our all-time high zone. Okay, but it unable to reach because there is a lot of geopolitical issues and Federal Reserve Bank policies and Donald Trump specs. So let's remove this drawing and let's get back into our 30-minute time frame analysis. And as you can see there, if I want to see the 30 minutes movement, as you can see, there is a engulfing confirmation to go by, and market just trying to recreate a bullish movement. And if I want to see M15 time frame for our next entry, and there is no entry right now. If I want to go for M5 time frame, and if I want to show you, let's remove H1 time frame trend line and redraw this again, as you can see there. Okay, based on this trend line, we took buy entry, and it's just trying to reach our 150 TP3. Okay, TP3. And if I want to draw another trend line like which already broken, that means here to here. Okay, so you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why I can't take buy or sell entry? As you can see there is a breakout. Okay, we always take entry. This is 5-minute time frame, guys. We always take entry after breakout, but we need to wait for a pullback again till that zone, then we can buy entry. Okay, we can take a buy entry, and our risk should be around 50 pips. And if I want to take 1:3 risk reward ratio, our TP will be 150 pips, our risk will be 50 pips. That means SL will be 50 pips, and there is 1:3 risk reward ratio. So this is the conclusion for now. And you guys are asking me, Mr. Boom, when next entry will come? Okay, we don't count entries. Okay, we always count the confirmation. We need to wait for double confirmation, like there is already a trend line confirmation. If market come, that means already a trend confirmation, trend line confirmation. That means breakout means market will go more up, but we need another confirmation. It have to give us a pullback, then we can take buy entry. this particular area. Okay, I hope you understand the thing. So let's wait till the pullback and we will take another entry.